Arigigo sa tisa deposit. All niggas stand back like buera morago. Time with these bitches que puera lo morago. What you know about a trip to my shot that a chere me rally, a chere me taco.
With this music we dealing like Pablo. Tisa deposit, Kgosi Tharo. How about I repala my stage? Tsenya boshali, take it moralo.
And I got the whole team, you know it's a vibe. Chere my clique, we tryna survive in the city. My gaba, we come out of life. And the English who to sit a demon. I got this face that you made can sit on.
Come on, no less you know that my link up with hoodie on bangers is one for the ages. Work ethic, now you're crazy. Looking at yours, you niggas is lazy. You really got nothing to show for the shit that you niggas already been saying. You consider deal and fair to move out the way. Moha city game.
Arigigo sa tisa deposit. All niggas stand back like buera morago. Time with these bitches que puera lo morago. What you know about a trip to my shot that a chere me rally, a chere me taco.
With this music we dealing like Pablo. Tisa deposit, Kgosi Tharo. How about I repala my stage? Tsenya boshali, take it moralo.
I wanted to get out my home and be independent, to get out the trench and taking advantage, and to stop being passive. Cause a nigga been tryna adapting, I gotta be holding him back. And if you fuck with that nigga, I'll give you the backhand.
We pull up rebana lekai, one who's a hujika kamelenta die. Better turn it up if you want a piece of the pie, cause it's still going crazy, it feel like a crime. Call up your mama and call her your daddy, and anybody that you think you can turn to. Now I guess now I get hoopy let's beans, I have low when you up in this level. You cannot tell me what you saying when they up to your face. It's 4v4 men up in the district, couple of misfits, market a shaba get like a chip dip. Walk as a spaza get goal of the season. Beat the wakaka, it's my fucking cheesing. I'm going demon time, but my oh my, the shit is a fucking crime.
Kgosi yizo magi tiki taka, man I'm stuck to the shit like I'm Peter Parker. Let's go. Below all my standards, I see him under, see him after. I'm plugging the night, got caught up past 9. Was rolling with Jody, just passing the time. And nigga pulled up with a drug and he cock. We was licking on side, yeah.